Thank you for joining us on ERi-TV for English News Broadcast. Today is Thursday, 6th of June 2024. Here are stories making headlines. President ERi holds talks with President Yoon Suk-yeol. Festival of College of Engineering, Technology and Science concluded. Israel attack UN school in central Gaza, killing at least 40. Boeing launched long-delayed astronauts capsule. President ERi met with President Yoon Suk-yeol of the Republic of Korea yesterday at a State House in Seoul and engaged in extensive discussions. During the meeting, President Yoon congratulated President ERi on the 30th anniversary of diplomatic ties between the two countries and expressed South Korea's readiness to further strengthen relations and cooperation with Eritrea. President ERi expressed his appreciation to the people and government of South Korea for the warm hospitality extended to him and his delegation. He also noted that the various summits recently convened by several partners attest to Africa's growing importance and role in newly emerging global order. President ERi emphasized that these endeavors must be supported by Africa's rapid industrialization to extricate the continent from subsistence economy. The two leaders underscored the need for the comprehensive document outlining the sector of cooperation and the modalities for implementation with specific phases and timelines. The 11th Festival of the Mainafhe College of Engineering, Technology and Science carried out on 4th and 5th of June concluded. At the concluding event, representatives of National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, branch of higher education institutions, stated that the annual program beyond competition and entertainment significantly contributes to the strengthening unity, developing knowledge and creativity, and bequeathing national values. According to the report presented, various programs were conducted from October 2023 to June 2024. These include sport and cultural programs, photo and material exhibitions, innovation and creative exhibitions, cultural and modern fashion shows, and other activities. Professor Gebrai-Askedom, Dean of the College of Science, and Dr. ERi, Dean of the College of Engineering and Technology, emphasized the comparative advantage of the annual festivals organized by the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, branch of higher education institutions, and called for their expansion. Mr. Salih Ahmeddin, chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, noted that this year's festival, held during the 33rd Independence Day anniversary celebration, places a significant responsibility on the students. He also urged them to apply the knowledge they gained practically. Awards were handed out to winners of various competitions. Stay tuned for international news. An Israeli air attack on a UN-run school sheltering displaced Palestinians in central Gaza's Nuseirat camp killed at least 40 people, mainly women and children. This is according to local government officials. The raid as of today came after the military announced a new ground and air assault in several refugee camps in central Gaza. The Palestinian news agency Wafa said thousands of displaced Palestinians were sheltering at Al-Sardi school, which is linked to the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, when it came under attack. Palestinian group Hamas, which governs the Gaza Strip, condemns the pre-dawn attack as a horrible massacre. The American Boeing company has launched its Starliner capsule toward the International Space Station ISS with the 2 NASA astronauts aboard. It's the first time the vehicle has been entrusted to carry people after coming through a long and tortuous development program. Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams will be testing the capsule on a mission that's expected to last just over a week. Starliner is scheduled to dock with a space station today. The capsule went up from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida, riding a United Launch Alliance Atlas rocket. The 12-minute powered ascent looked flawless. Moments before liftoff, Commander Wilmore called out to thank all those who had worked to make the mission possible. Starliner now has to raise itself to the orbit of the ISS, which circles the Earth at an altitude of roughly 400 kilometers. In the 24 hours this will take, Wilmore and Williams plan to put the vehicle through its pace, including taking manual control of the flight systems. Before we go, we have a quick recap of the top stars. President Isaias Afwerki holds talks with President Yoon Suk-yeol. Festival of College of Engineering, Technology and Science concluded. Israel attacks UN-run school in central Gaza, killing at least 40. Boeing launched long-delayed astronaut capsule. And that wraps up our news broadcast for now. Thank you for watching.